This is part two from yesterday, and I'll link to part one. Someone had commented on one of my videos. They're like, look behind you, it's clutter. And I responded, it's not clutter, it's stuff that I use all the time. It's not neat, but I never claimed to be neat. But at this time in my life, I just want to share what was going on because I was going for good enough. And a lot of days I still go for good enough. My mom, it had been less than a year since my mom had passed. I'd spent the previous year driving up from North Carolina to West Virginia every month to take care of her. We had lived 9 with my parents and we moved in. They weren't honest. And we found out that there was flooding the day we moved in. We had mold, blah, 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 blah. This is my life. And it's probably the closest that I had to a nervous breakdown. It's what they were complaining about. This saying it wasn't neat. I never claimed to be neat. This was good enough, right? Some days it was climbing a mountain to get out of bed. And I want to share that because life happens. We all experience times in our life that are really challenging, and sometimes good enough is going to be all that you can manage. I was thrilled with that because it was organized. It wasn't neat, but I stuff that I used all the time that I could easily access. I say this time and time again, Instagram, social media is not real. All those people don't keep it up like that unless they have someone that they hire an assistant or a maid. Some days and maybe some years, you're just going to have to go good enough, and that's a-okay. We have on year 4, we moved and have done a remodel project every year. Am I where I want to be? No, but oh boy, we're a lot closer. We're down to one remodeling project, almost have my home exactly where I want it. And it's just life, right? And it's not a priority for me. I have a bunch more priorities. And so I've got to go with good enough sometimes. So I'm going to encourage you. Sometimes good enough is good enough and celebrate that. Not like you have to show everyone or welcome them into your home. So, do you agree with me? Or do you equate clutter with being unneat? Share your thoughts with me.